Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Algorand was moving inside in another up channel after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, and now you can see that finally we have broken down the support of this up channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this huge breakout that has already happened on this 7 days time frame chart. You can see that previously it was moving inside this very long-term falling wedge pattern, and we broke it out here in the month of October 2023. Then we had a nice rally so far from this low to this high. You can see that it has rallied more than 302%, but got rejected by this quite long-term resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And this level has been previously working as a very strong resistance on here, and resistance on here, resistance on here, and before that, it has been working as a very long-term support zone since the month of June 2022 up till the month of October 2022. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that the price line has broken out the lower bands of this cloud, and now it is trying to cross up the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Kawal Land, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously for the past several days, it was moving inside this wedge. And I've been telling you when it was moving inside this wedge that now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. And after the breakout, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge at 25 cents. And over there, we have a lot of resistance as well. And you can see that after the breakout, it formed this up channel. And now recently, we have broken down the support of this up channel. The technical target for this breakdown is here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 15 cents. But in my point of view, it is also possible that it may test this long-term support of 15 cents. But before that, we will need to break down this short-term support of 20.72 cents, approximately 21 cents, that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and almost resistance here, and support here as well. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line is getting rejected by this resistance, a quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents, and also getting rejected by the upper bands of this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that previously it broke out the resistance of the lower bands resistance of this bearish cloud, and now it was trying to break it out, but got rejected by this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud and the resistance of the channel, and also this long-term resistance of 30 cents as well. And now there is a probability that the price line may test this support of 20.72 cents. And in case of breaking it down, it can also test this long-term support of 15 cents that had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. And now it has been breaking as a support here in the month of January 2024. And now it can again break as a strong support. At the same time, you can see that it is also forming the inverse, a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Therefore, if the price line breaks out this resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents, and that at the same time, it will be also breaking out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking out this resistance zone, the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately here at $1 approximately. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $2.50 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.